Okay, now we are going to define what is an acid and what is a base. Right. Now, you should know now ki why some substances behave as an acid and why some substances behaves as a base. What makes it as an acid or what makes it as a base. Okay. So, we will go and learn about the definition, and there are basically two types of the acids and a base. One is called as the mineral acid and other is the organic acids. We'll learn in details now. The chemical definition of acid and a base. Acids. Acids, HCl, is an example of an acid and this has to be put into water. That means aqueous solution. AQ. AQ क्या indicate करता है कि hydrochloric acid is mixed with water. Right? When this is dissolved in water, you will be getting two ions. H plus ions that will remain in the water, aqueous solution, and Cl minus. Right? Okay. Now see this, you can see that the acid HCl is splitting into ions. This process is called as dissociation. It will split up into two ions, H plus ions and the Cl minus ions. Now, similarly, if you have to take another beaker and put H2SO4, what is H2SO4? Yes, it is sulfuric acid. Now, this is also mixed with water and you can see that it has become H plus ion as well as the sulfate ion, right? Now, there are two hydrogen atoms here in the HCl. You get just one. Here it is a dibasic acid, so it has got two hydrogen in it, right? Okay. Now, the valency of sulfate ion is 2, so you have got two H plus ions. Okay, fine. This is balanced now. Now, this H plus ions makes the solution acid. What makes an acid? Any solution, if it has got this H plus ions in it, it is termed as an acid. ठीक है, तो सब लोग समझ जाओ कि अगर solution में H plus ions आती है तो आप समझ जाना कि वो acid है. The substance which when dissolved in water gives H plus ions are called as the acid. ठीक है. Base. Now what is a base? Magnesium hydroxide. When it is put into water, it is actually a solid, and when it is put into water, it splits up into magnesium ion as well as the hydroxide ion. Okay, fine. Now if you have got the KOH solution, that means potassium hydroxide. Now when it is put into water, it also dissociates into K plus and OH minus ions. Okay, fine. Now you can see that this OH minus ions is the one which shows you भैया कि ये क्या है, ये base है. So if a substance when it dissolved in water gives you OH minus ions, these are called as the bases, right? So H plus ions अगर हुआ तो acids और OH minus ions हुआ तो वो क्या हो गया, वो base हो गया. तो आपको पता चल गया कि acids क्या होता है और base क्या होता है ना? चलो, ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स जो एनिमल्स और प्लांट से बेसिकली बनते थे उनको पहले ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स कहा जाता था. आजकल ऑर्गेनिक एसिड का डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गया है, लेकिन हाँ एक कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए आप बोल सकते हो कि प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के साथ में होगा तो वो एसिड ऑर्गेनिक एसिड है. और जो एसिड्स होते हैं ना, they can be classified into two categories. One is called as the organic acid and other is called as the mineral acid, right? Now the acids which are citric acid, lactic acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid, etc. are the organic acids, right? Now mango is sour in taste. It is organic acid. Tamarind, imli, it is also organic acid. Orange, it also contains organic acids. Grapes, it contains organic acid. Lemon, it also contains organic acids. Now, mineral acids. The mineral acids means the acid which is prepared from minerals which is present in the earth is called as the mineral acids. What are the examples? It is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Then you have got hydrochloric acid which is HCl. Then nitric acid, that is HNO3. These are all very, very dangerous acid if they are in the concentrated form. So we should dilute it and make it to use in the laboratories. There are some uses of the concentrated acid also, but you can use it in the laboratory in the diluted form because very corrosive nature and they can be very dangerous. Okay, now let's revise. What is sulfuric acid? H2SO4. What is hydrochloric acid? HCl. What is nitric acid? It is HNO3. What are these acids? These are all mineral acid. Why they are known as mineral acid? Because they are formed out of the mineral which is there on the surface of the earth. Okay, now always add acid in water to dilute it. Why? अरे 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 अरे, कभी भी ना एसिड में ले जाके पानी मत डाल देना, डेंजरस है, बिल्कुल डेंजरस। हाँ, फट जाएगा। क्या करना चाहिए? पानी में एसिड मिलाओ, एसिड में कभी भी पानी नहीं मिलाना चाहिए, ठीक है? ये बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा कोरोसिव होता है, ठीक है?